Yeah, currently I'm working with microservices, Springboot, Git, Maven. On also using we are using databases Oracle, Mongo, using also the Kubernetes, Jenkins, Splunk. These are the currently I'm using the tools and the working. Currently, I'm working with the Tech Mahindra, and that domain I'm using from last 3.5 years is I'm working in the telecom domain, and which current my client is from the telecom domain. So they have some products. So while they are selling, so we have built as a platform that is a Blue Marble platform, and under that platform, we have developed more than the hundred of microservices. So we are supporting all middleware layer and for that, actually, we have distributed into two areas. One is a OC area and the one is a OM area. OC is a order capturing, means agent is just capturing the order from the customer and the placing it. It is just supporting the multiple flows. And once order submitted, that order management will doing the kind of the provisioning and doing the fulfillment of the. So for these all, whatever the microservices, it is just supporting to complete this kind of the ordering. Um, yeah, in my current role, kind of I'm performing as a tech lead role as well as individual contributor. I have the offshore team, so in the around means I'm helping to in them about the solving the issue about the implementation, and also I'm doing my own development. Some there are the as we are working on the Scrum, so some users should also assign on the my name about some development. So that is also I'm working, and as our application push into move into the production, so we are also working some kind of the production incident that about the kind of the technical issues, some code issues
Yeah,
coming on the.
that's fine.
Yeah.
So in
So
microservice, what are the challenges faced so far in microservice application?
normally, okay, just like that initially while we are developing the microservices, that we can say kind of the skeleton. So that times we was facing some issue about the kind of the once request means that response is properly is not going to the client side.
Okay.
What are the some
Yeah.
parameters? Yeah, once that skeleton we have created means it is fitted into the, so other all other microservices we are the escalation and the whatever the services we have then introduced into the.
So what is how we can make auto scaling like scale horizontal scaling, vertical scaling.
Yeah, scaling for just like we are using using the Kubernetes in the Docker area. We are in just like the sometimes is some requests are coming on the some specific area, just like the some address validation related stuffs are the validating more things. So in that area, we are increases the instance of that service, that API. So that using that we have increased the scale of that. Means whenever we are feeling like that kind of required some more request is coming on the specific API. So in the Docker area, we have created increase the instance of that. Using that, we have increased the scaling. That is also means kind of also we can say that it is also the load balancing kind of as my Kubernetes also supporting. So it is kind of the also using the load balancing. We have increased the scaling. Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, sorry for protection.
Okay, Suresh, still your voice is breaking for me. Hello.
Now,
Mm, hello.
yeah, is it fine for
Yeah.
you?
Yes, yes, yes. Now it is good.
Okay. Mm, okay, how do you horizontal scaling and vertical scaling?
No, sorry for the about the that more scaling about the part because we have the DevOps teams which actually basically looking taking care only the Kubernetes part only the Kubernetes and that about the jobs and the configuration part they are specific dedicatedly for those only. So normally they are taking care of these all stuffs. But yeah, that is some vertical and the horizontal that are the some kind of the um, fundamental kind of that. Yeah, but sorry for these actually.
Okay. Can you explain what is a choreography and orchestration?
No, sorry.
Okay. Can you give me some example how you can be handle the fault tolerance in the microservice?
Sorry. What? Sorry, please come again for this question.
Fault tolerance.
Fault tolerance. Okay, for the fault tolerance. Okay, that we can use the just like the um, kind of the it is we can use the kind of the historic kind of which kind of the that using the we can maintain the that if connection is good or bad connection. So based on the if we are we can try to implement the historic and that based on the historic we can implement kind of the proxy implementation if something like that connection is not good and there's some we are not getting the proper expected that success
So
response.
what is the design pattern you used for fault tolerance?
Okay, for the fault tolerance design patterns, we can say kind of the that structure one of that maybe the matching with these just like the proxy design pattern kind of just like the if just like in the proxy design pattern structural design under the structural design patterns there is an intermediate proxy object is validating the kind of the end client request and if it is all thing is okay so in that only that condition is calling to the actual client otherwise the original object otherwise it is kind of the returning the some um, error or the something invalid response to the means that kind of request is not valid or this kind of the response this means yeah so proxy design pattern it may be the suitable for the cross cutting because in the there is also in the fault tolerance it is just the if we are not getting the any response from the endpoint other another endpoint and again we are trying to hit and again we are getting the same kind of so we need to kind of the proxy means if this it will be not good so we need to return back the end client that kind of that stuff.
Actually, I pasted the question in the chat box, so you can execute the program.
Okay, just a second. Yeah. Okay, yeah, you have mentioned the two. One is list of list, and the second is just the plain list. Okay.
Yeah, you can share your screen and execute the program.
Okay, means you are saying I need to write. I means this need to take and the sharing the screen and
Execute the program.
okay, just second. Where is the share option? Okay. Let me check the share option. Where is share option? Okay, recording relative company participation. Okay, here is a yeah, screen sharing option. Yeah. Yeah, let me know once you are able to see the screen. Hello.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay, okay, sure. Mm, where is the chart? Okay, here is a chart. I guess I'm creating the system. You are saying means that one is the input and one is the output. Is it kind of?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, means okay, okay. Just a second. Okay.
So why you writing output as okay, okay.
Okay. No, I thought I mean some there may be the some different values. Mm, or okay, let me create the array list. Just a second. I need to create a mm, input object, or directly can I write a solution?
You can
I
do
just
anything. I just want to see the answer.
okay,
Out.
yeah, sure. I got it. You just want to see the only solution for that. Okay, let me directly write the solution. Just yeah, I'm writing the solution directly. Where is it? Java util.list. No, it is not working. Integer. Okay, it is required the pretty objects only. Okay. Okay, let me write the answer. ये dot stream dot flat map collect collectors dot. Yeah, we need to use just a flat map. In a one-liner solution, we can get this kind of the list from
No,
this
actually,
info.
just listen. So you can use flat map and display the output. So you have only 5 minutes left.
Sorry. Okay, you do you means I need to write execute this program?
Yeah, one line of code with flat map.
Yeah, I already have written a solution over here, flat map. It will
But execute,
return.
no?
Okay, just second. Yeah, just second. So compilations. Okay. I'm just okay something. I just forgot it to pass something. Okay.